Students, in the previous class we have learned how to apply the first type of special series formulae. Today we are going to study the remaining types. Look at the first example. Find the sum of 1 square plus 2 square plus etc. up to plus n square. It is same as the series sum of the squares of the first n natural numbers. We know that 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square plus etc. up to n square is equal to n into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 by 6. This is the formula for the sum of the squares of the first n natural numbers. In the place of n we have 19. So we can replace the values of n as 19. So we get 19 into 19 plus 1 into 2 times 19 plus 1 by 6. 19 plus 1 is 20. 2 19s are 38. 38 plus 1 is 39. So the next step will become 19 into 20 into 39 by 6. Now we can cut 6 and 20 by 2 table, or we can cut 6 and 39 by 3 table. So when we cut 6 and 39 by 3 table, we get 13 3s are 39 and 2 3s are 6. So we are getting 19 into 20 into 13 by 2. Now we can cut 20 and 2 by 2 table. 2 10s are 20. So we get the answer 19 into 10 into 13. After multiplying, we get 2470. Now look at the next example. Find the sum of 9 cube plus 10 cube plus etc. up to 21 cube. It is same as the sum of the cubes of first n natural numbers, but it doesn't start from 1. We have the formula from 1. 1 cube plus 2 cube plus 3 cube plus etc. up to n cube is equal to n into n plus 1 by 2 the whole square. So how can you find out the values from 9 cube to 21 cube? Yesterday also we have learned the same method. For that, we can take the biggest series from 1 to 21. From 1 to 21 series, we can subtract the series from 1 to 8. 8 means before 9, we have 8, so we can subtract 8 cube. After applying the formula, we get 21 into 21 plus 1 by 2 the whole square minus 8 into 8 plus 1 by 2 the whole square. 21 plus 1 is 22 and 8 plus 1 is 9. Now we can cancel 22 by 2 table. 11 2s are 22. The same way we can cancel 8 by 2 table. 2 4s are 8. Now we get 21 into 11 the whole square minus 4 into 9 the whole square. 21 11s are 231. Now 4 9s are 36. When we find out the square of that numbers, 53,361 minus 1,296. After subtracting, we get 52,065. Now look at this question. Rekha has 15 square color papers of sizes 10 cm, 11 cm, 12 cm, etc. up to 24 cm. How much area can be decorated with these color papers? It is the application sum of special series. So Rekha has some square shape color papers. Now look at the color papers. One is of size 12 cm, another one is of 11 cm, another one is of 10 cm. All are square papers. What is the area of a square? Area of the square is side into side, because In square, all the sides are equal. So for 12 centimeter square, the area is 12 square. 11 centimeter square paper, the area is 11 square. 10 centimeter square paper, the area is 10 square. Now she is going to arrange all the color papers together to form a bigger square. What is the area of the bigger square? How will you find out the area of the bigger square? By adding the area of the smaller squares. So by adding the area of a smaller square means 10 square plus 11 square plus 12 square and etc. up to 24 squares. So this question can be written as the total area is 10 square plus 11 square plus 12 square plus 24 square. Here also the series doesn't start from 1. So what do you want to do? We have to take the bigger square, bigger series. What is the bigger series? From 1 to 24. From that bigger series, we have to subtract the smaller series from 1 to 9. For the first bigger series, n value is 24. The next series, n value is 9. So after applying the formula, we get 24 into 25 into 49 by 6 minus 9 into 10 into 19 by 6. N value is 24. N plus 1 is 25. 2n. 2 24s are 48 plus 1 is 49. Like that we can calculate the remaining. Now we can cut 6 and 24 by 6 table. 4 6 are 24. The same way we can cut 9 and 6 by 3 table. 3 3s are 9 and 2 3s are 6. And the second calculation, we can cut 10 and 2 by 2 table. 5 2s are 10. So after multiplying, we get the answer 4900 for the first series, 285 for the second series. Subtracting it, we get 4615. So Rekha can decorate 4615 centimeter square area with these color papers.